take a look at this next one. Let's see what information we are given to help write our equation. So this time we start off with there are 4 people originally infected. And if that's the number originally infected, that's our initial value. That's our starting amount. So our A value is equal to 4. Now it says that each of these infected 3 new people per day. So they each infected 3 new people. So then that means that they was them, which is the 100%, okay, or the 1. And if they're infecting 3 new people a day, they're infecting 300% more, or 3 people. So our B value would equal 4. So now as we go to write our equation, our initial value is 4 with a growth factor of 4 more raised to the power of x representing the number of days. Okay, you guys try the next one.